Steve!
Just promise you'll treat her well.
No, I was wrong. It's just, you were bragging about your girlfriend, so I went to check her out. Oh, come on, dude. You know how sexy she is. Yeah. Look, I know I made a big mistake. Just hope you can forgive me.
Ah, Snot. Let's just make sure we never let a woman come between us again.
Oh, agreed.
Come on, Stan. Figure a way out of here. You can do this. You're not just a pencil pusher. That's it. Picasso, you finally made yourself useful. Yes.
Wait. If I enjoy the scene of the crime now, I won't feel compelled to return to it later.
Freeze, thief! You're smoking?